Why can a game feel so hard to stop even when someone wants to put it down? Gaming disorder is a health problem that can happen when gaming starts to take over a person's life. Games can be fun, exciting, and full of rewards, like opening a treasure chest over and over. Our brains like rewards. Each win, new level, or surprise can make the brain say, "Do that again." Inside the brain, there is a helper system that notices things we enjoy. It uses a chemical messenger called dopamine, which helps us feel motivated and eager. That is normal and helpful. It can make us practice music, finish puzzles, or keep trying after a mistake. But some games are designed to keep players excited for a long time. Bright sounds, fast rewards, and endless goals can act like little hooks, making it harder to stop. Most people who play games do not have a disorder. They can enjoy games and still sleep well, go to school or work, and spend time with family and friends. Gaming disorder is different. It means gaming begins to cause serious problems. A person may keep playing even when it hurts their schoolwork, job, health, or relationships. They may want to stop but feel unable to do so. Scientists and doctors study gaming disorder to understand why this happens. They look at brain activity, habits, emotions, stress, and sleep. They have learned that this problem is not just about lacking willpower. It is usually connected to many things at once, such as feeling lonely, stressed, bored, or unhappy, and then using games as a way to escape. Think of the brain like a car. Games can press the gas pedal by giving quick rewards. Healthy life habits like sleep, exercise, and time with other people help press the brake pedal. If the gas is pressed too often and the brakes are not working well, the car may go too fast. That is why balance matters. People can get help. Setting time limits, turning off extra game reminders, keeping devices out of the bedroom, and planning other fun activities can help. Talking with a trusted adult, doctor, counselor, or teacher can also make a big difference. Support is important because changing a strong habit is easier when a person is not doing it alone. Gaming itself is not bad. Games can teach teamwork, problem solving, and creativity. The key is to keep games in the right place in life so they remain one part of a healthy day, not the whole day.